Hello everyone and welcome to another Web3 game. So I found this game in uh, some verified Instagram accounts, and I think I saw a lot of actually uh, payments on this one. So I'm trying to work out with it, see what happens, and it's really simple, but it's I think it's a Russian robot, so a lot of in communities or in robot, a lot of texts are in Russians and I can't understand them. So, but I saw a lot of payments in Instagram, so I'll be sent it. I'll put the link on description. Just join it and check it out. So uh, it takes so it doesn't take 1 or 2 days to get the reward from it and get the token, but it's on tone, so it's easy. So I will get through that. So about lumberjack game, I'm gonna get some updates. So there is no actually any update on uh, Twitter, but it's been still 2 days until the release, as they say in their Telegram. So let me just check the. Yeah, it's changed to 1 day actually. I don't know how this day is going, but it's changed to 1 day, and I'm still waiting to see what happens. And about the token that they said, I got a lot of messages that they're in region that they can't verify in 2 weeks. So 2 beats, sorry. So it doesn't need verification, as they say. It doesn't need any verification to exchange and sell the token or deposit them, as something they say in their Twitter. But just in Telegram channel, I'm seeing 1 day. I set the alarm for myself, and I'm waiting, still waiting to see what happens. So let's go through with it. So this is the robot Web3 game that I'm saying. So I'm trying to work out with it. So let's just start. It's, I don't know, I think it's Russian because I can't even understand anything of it. So if you see here, it's an egg. You should break it, and it should be this one to get your reward. I mean, get your tone. You can invite friends and boost your clicks. So you don't need to click if you get the if you invite, you should invite a friend, and the friend should invite at least click at least 100 times to get the reward. And you don't need to click 1500 actually, and it will goes up 1500s here. So if you break the egg, you will get the tone, and you can actually boost it from here by daily task, by joining channels, and you don't need to pay anything here. And you have ratings tab here, show the ratings, and this is the valid section. So we can connect it to Timekeeper. You will get, as I saw in verified systems, you can verified Instagram pages, you can get the reward in your tone wallet. And I saw 8 tones, 3 tones, and 1 tones, 2, 3, many items here, many withdrawals here, but mine is not, is still breaked. So I'm waiting. I'm using another account, so to do it. You have bill here, you can try it to see. You get the reward here, and I haven't get this one, but I got the others and it's working. And super click here, you can get the loan here. So I didn't try anything here because I think, I don't know, maybe it's Russian because language is Russian, and yeah, I think it's Russian, and I couldn't use any of these super clicks. So I put the link in the description, check it out, see what will happen. And I'm saying again, don't trust any of these Web3 games. They're not verified at all, because you may have the verified Twitter, you may have the verified Telegram, you may see the verified Telegram, you may see the verified Twitter, you may see a big community, but at the end you will get nothing. So I'll put the link in the description and check whatever you get, and post me in comments. You don't pay anything actually, as I saw, for getting rewards, and it's, I think, maybe kind of trustable, but don't pay anything on this one. Just use it as your hobby on your free times. So thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Waiting for your comments. Thank you so much, and I'll put the link in the description.